Black Magic aluminum wheel cleaner. Three-in-one formula. Clean, polishes, and protects. Formulated for aluminum. Well, I'm here trying to clean up my dad's old truck. The wheels, put it this way, Dad wasn't a big believer in keeping aluminum wheels clean. And I've got to do something with the old truck. Well, it's not old, it's a 95 F-150. Don't have about 150,000 miles on it. I mean, it's a fine truck for its age. He kept it in a covered car shed, and you know, it really looks good. And I hate to sell it. Hate to get rid of it. Last new truck Dad bought. But I can't drive it one truck at a time. And there may be somebody out there that needs them a good truck. Breaks my heart. It really does. But over the last 3 years, my heart's been broke a lot. So I should be getting used to it by now. But here's the other. This is after. I mean, there's still some black up in there that you can see. But this stuff here is working pretty good. So, being how I'm off my quarantine of the COVID, and I've been down here piddling around all week, not overdoing it, just trying my best to make sure I get over this crap, which to me is just a real bad head cold right at the moment. Well, from the very get-go, it was a real bad head cold for me. I feel sorry for anybody that it's had a worse effect on, but so anyway, that's what we're doing. Oh, and it's too blank cold to get outside and do anything. Nothing going on with the honeybees. They may be out there freezing to death, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just down here in the garage in the basement trying to do a little bit of cleaning on the old Ford. Trying to maybe get it ready to put up for sale. And like I said, it really breaks my heart to even consider this, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.